Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can swap the face of a person in video for completely free. And if your face swap doesn't meet your expectation, don't worry, I'm going to give you some websites names where you can swap the face for free. So now let's begin.
The only one. Up and down on my feet. Feel like I'm ascending. I've planned every step, I've seen everything, so it's no surprise I can't sleep. Get just the push that I need. I've gone past the point, I'm all in. I know that you're thinking that you're really gonna do it.